Welcome to our beginner guide on how to bet on BetMGM. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about this popular online betting platform. Let's kick things off by creating your account. Follow these simple steps to sign up and verify your account on BetMGM. Now that you have an account, let's take a look at how to navigate the BetMGM interface and find your favorite sports and games. It's essential to understand the different types of bets available. Here's a quick breakdown of moneyline, spread, and totals betting. Ready to place your first bet? Follow this walkthrough from start to finish, and you'll be wagering in no time. Don't forget to check out the latest promotions and bonuses on BetMGM. Here's how you can take full advantage of them. When it comes to managing your money, BetMGM offers a range of banking options for deposits and withdrawals. Let's review them now. Always remember, responsible betting is crucial. Here are some key tips to help you maintain a healthy approach. For those who prefer betting on the go, let's explore the BetMGM mobile app and how to make the most of it. To wrap it up, we've covered everything you need to start betting on BetMGM. Now, it's time for you to dive in and enjoy.